Today, we're going to talk about a very special NFT. And this particular NFT has a lot of potential. And obviously, they've been in the market, they've been in the crypto space, they've been in the NFT space for a very long time. And they already have a lot of experience on ground. So basically, any NFT you're thinking about buying or investing in, you need to make sure that you understand their story, you understand their roadmap, you understand where they've come from and where they're going and what strategy have they put on. In today's NFT that we're going to cover is going to be Alpacadabraz. Alpacadabraz is a very unique NFT, and I'm going to go in great detail and give you a full review of their website. I'm going to show you what their roadmap is, where their Discord is, and what gives them that edge in the NFT space. And I personally feel, I'm not a financial advisor, but I feel this particular NFT has a lot of potential, and I personally feel that this NFT will blow every other NFT out of the water. So without further ado, let us go and check out Alpacadabraz. Now, the Alpacadabraz.io is their website, and if you can see, the first impression that you get is their 3D whitelisting. And go to the whitelisting, you click over here, and the Genesis is already sold out. They're available on OpenSea. You can buy them from OpenSea. The 3D Alpacadabraz will be released on February 12th. And obviously, this is a small video that they've made. And I personally believe the amount of artistic approach, the amount of fun that they've brought to this particular NFT is absolutely amazing. And they have a history, a story behind the whole NFT. And I feel any NFT that does that with their product, with their design, with their characters, and gives it a history, a background, a story, a character, they tend to have that competitive edge in the market. We've seen that with the Bored Apes, we've seen that with the Metaverses, we've seen that with a number of different NFTs that have come out. The major and most important thing you got to keep in mind is the fact that it needs to have a background. So this will be a 19,969 NFT drop with 9,669 3D alpacas, free to claim by owners by any 2D alpaca. For the remaining 10,003 alpaca, we will have a whitelist for about 3,000 participants, and the remaining will go to the public Dutch auction available for anyone. Whitelist opportunities are available on our Discord. I'm going to go to the Discord in a second and obviously show you why that is important. And obviously, Alpaca is heavily investing and going all out on the upcoming sandbox game. Buying 2D alpacas right now will get you exposed to the fastest growing metaverse in the world. So obviously that's very important. The about it is quite interesting. I love the fact that they have a story behind it. Mad greedy farmers abused their power and found no more use for the Alpacadabraz families, and gates were open. The Alpacadabraz were roaming around without any owners, trying to survive, being scared of wolves and beasts. The Alpacadabraz are wandering around in fear right now and don't know what to do. Let's help the Alpacadabraz before it's too late, and choose how many you would like to give a safe house at the minting date. And the Alpacadabraz are a creation of our own very talented in-house artist, Chuckchee. And Chuckchee is a professional pixelated artist that works with us to do series of pixelated NFT projects. And obviously, this is where the team comes in. And I honestly believe for any successful NFT, you have to have a very strong team. So basically, there are 9,669 total NFTs with 30 backgrounds, 5 bodies, 35 vibes, 25 mouths, 10 chains, 9 saddles, 29 hairs, and obviously different effects as well. So basically, they have put a lot of effort in actually developing their NFTs, and that is what we need to understand. For any successful NFT to be successful, it needs to have a very, very creative team, and they've got that. And the game is coming out. They already have a strategy in the way they're going to market it, the way they're going to bring it to the public. They understand what the public needs. They understand what a successful NFT requires. And obviously, this is the time that you need to invest. This is the time. I personally feel, I'm not a financial advisor. I've been in the NFT market for some time. I've been looking at different NFTs that have come out. I've looked at their strategies, how they've been successful, where have they gone, how they've done it. And I personally believe this particular NFT has got what it takes. And this is their roadmap. In 2021, Q4, fun and competitive browser game had come. And obviously in 2022, Q1, the augmented reality mobile app has come, is bringing you 3D alpacas to life with their unique augmented reality app, where you can transport your favorite alpacas from a digital world to wherever you are. And obviously from there, in 2022, new project, which is a 3D alpaca, is ready for the metaverse. And this is where you need to actually look at for. And in the same quarter, they're bringing the merchandise store, where when March is bringing to build a community branding and identity with high quality exclusive merchandise that only alpaca owners can flaunt. So basically that is what gives it unique links, and the team is the most important thing. You got Brainy, Chuckchee, Kiddo, meaning all of these individuals that you can see are head of the sandbox development, social media strategists, UI design and coding, head of the Asian marketing and community management, the artists, the development, the creative gurus, meaning you have these individuals that have experience in the NFT space from before, and they have already put a strategy and made the alpacas 2Ds already successful. So basically that is what you're investing in. The frequently asked question is how did the mint work? The mint started on the 22nd of October, and everyone that has whitelisted had 72 hours window to mint their reserve Alpacadabraz. The mint price was 0.069 Ethereum. Obviously you can buy them from Looks Rare or OpenSea, and right now they're working on releasing the 3D, which is coming in February 12th. So please stay tuned for that and put that on your calendars, because that is going to be a big thing. So, and you can't miss this boat. If you have not bought any other NFT, this is the particular NFT you need to invest in. This is a particular NFT you need to look out for. So basically the two places, again, that I always tell in my videos is the fact that you have to go to their Twitter and their Discord to find out the honest, the real, and the most reliable information. But before you do that, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share these videos with your friends and your family so more people can find about the new upcoming successful NFTs that will blow other NFTs out of the water. And these NFTs have potential to turn your hundreds into thousands into millions. We've seen the NFTs make a huge mark in the market in the last year, and I feel that certain NFTs that we're reviewing right now have that potential, have that team, have that background to actually make it really big in the NFT space. So if you are upcoming news for new NFTs, please subscribe to the channel and do not miss any of my NFTs. I'm going to show you right now their Twitter. Their Twitter is quite important. The Twitter and Discord are the two places where you'll get the most reliable and up-to-date information. They have 78,300 followers, and obviously I'm going to increase that number by one right now. You have to see how active the page is, how amazing 3D Packers is taking over the metaverse, and how much information they're actually sharing with individuals. This came 17 hours ago, and you can see the creativity, and you've seen the amount of effort that these guys have put into their NFTs, into their platform, into their product, and you can tell by the engagement on their tweets that they understand how they need to bring this to the public, how they need to bring it to you to make you understand why this is going to be the next big thing. The amount of activity on their Twitter and the amount of activity on their Discord only is a slight example of how much community engagement they tend to have with their NFT buyers, with the people that are working with them. So definitely go to their Twitter and follow them on Twitter so you do not miss any of their upcoming information, up and reliable information that they will be sharing. And if you go back to their website, I'm going to show you their Discord. The Discord is, again, the most, if not the most important place you need to be in order to get reliable information. And obviously they have 133,815 members. This is one of the biggest Discord channels across in the NFT space, with 20,251 people online. So you can just imagine, by the time this will mint on 12th of February, this will literally, every single alpaca is going to go in seconds. And that's how it is going to be, because this is how big they are. And obviously once you get into their Discord, they have so much. They have announcements, sneak peeks, official channels, roadmaps, context. They have mental health clinic, game talks, and they have 4 alpaca founders that are online right now. You have 3 honorary pacas, and the number of people that are under that, you can just check it out yourself. And you can see the number over here, 133,809 members over here. And as you scroll up, you will see the amount of engagement and activeness that this particular Discord tends to have. Now, I say this for every single NFT. Guys, at the end of the day, if you want reliable information, you need to actually join Discords and actually get information from the source. Do not rely on random information that you find on the internet. The Discord, all of those particular channels is where you're gonna get the main information from. At the end of this video, I wanna tell you guys that NFTs are the future. The cryptocurrency is the future. If you're not trading on cryptocurrency, it's a personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I've been working and engaged in the crypto world and with NFTs. And I personally believe this is the future. The metaverse is where everything's going to go. We're moving from a social aspect into a digital aspect, into a virtual aspect. So obviously there are three different dimensions that are taking place. The virtual is going to take over very soon, but you need to understand how the dynamics works, where you need to go. So do your research, do your own due diligence before investing in. If you need any help whatsoever, my WhatsApp number is available in the About Us of my channel. You can go over there, get my number, drop me a WhatsApp, and I will guide you, I'll help you and answer any of your questions that you have, and I'll guide you as best to my abilities. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.